Are you looking for an efficient way to track website development in Monday.com? In this quick explanation, we'll break down how to use Monday.com to monitor your website project and what to consider if you're looking for something even more tailored to your needs. First off, Monday.com provides a visually appealing way to keep track of your website development tasks. Whether you're a developer, project manager, or team lead, the platform's customizable boards and workflows can really help you organize everything from design to launch. But there's a catch: Monday.com is highly customizable, and figuring out the right settings can take a bit of time. Let's go over the basics. Next thing, start by creating a new board specifically for your website development project. You'll want to structure it by different stages of the project, such as planning, design, development, testing, and launch. Monday.com makes this easy by giving you templates, but you can always tweak them to fit your exact needs. The fourth thing to note is how you can assign tasks to different team members and track progress using color-coded status columns. Each task can be assigned a deadline, and you can update it as you go along. This visual aspect makes it easier to see bottlenecks in the process, so nothing falls through the cracks. The fifth thing, use the timeline and calendar views in Monday.com to get a clearer picture of your project's timeline. This is essential for keeping track of the web development process, as it helps you see if tasks are slipping behind or if you're ahead of schedule. The Gantt-style view in particular is great for seeing dependencies between tasks. Next up, let's talk integrations. Monday.com supports integration with various apps like Slack, Google Drive, and GitHub. This is handy for a development team, but it can get complicated when you're managing a lot of tools. You'll need to plan your integrations carefully to avoid having too many tools that overlap or create confusion. Now, the next thing I want to highlight is the automation feature in Monday.com. You can automate repetitive tasks like moving items from one board to another, updating statuses, or sending reminders. This can save a lot of time, but be cautious. Automations can become overcomplicated and harder to manage if you aren't careful. Finally, while Monday.com is great for managing tasks and timelines, you might find it lacks the specialized tools that some other platforms offer specifically for tracking website development. If your goal is to track more technical aspects of web dev like code commits, user stories, and detailed sprint planning, a more tailored solution could be a better fit. Keep watching as we'll discuss some of those alternatives. Before I wrap up, let me mention that we have an exclusive offer for an extended free trial of the software we just talked about. Plus, we'll show you some amazing alternatives that may actually be a better fit for your website development goals. These alternatives also come with free trials, and you'll get exclusive benefits through the link in the description. So, if you're ready to find out which tool might work best for tracking your website development, be sure to click the link below for the best free trials and benefits.